ay bata pa, at ang galing-galing mong sumayaw.
Bakit? Oo nga. Naisip ko ba naisip ko? And this is all the ingredients needed in cooking fried chicken. Ta-da! We need breadcrumbs. Then, manok. Flour. Eggs. And last, oil.
Say go.
Good day. We're here to demonstrate how to cook fried chicken.
I'm Chef Ready.
And I'm Chef Shakal.
What's your flavor?
Let's start. First, we must wash the chicken
Here's the chicken.
with the water.
Yes, running water.
It is washed. Then,
Beat the egg.
let's beat the eggs. Mix them.
Oh, it hurts. No, I'm beating the eggs. Can you see how I do it? Yeah, like this, you know? When it's already, mixed well. It's ready.
Wala namin.
Ayan, tanga ko.
Now, we're going to deep fry the chicken.
Delicioso. And then the other one. There.
No, you must put it all.
No, it's for other people to get it
Yes.
later.
Okay.
I don't know what's my English, but anyway.
Then, wait for 20 minutes
Until it's brown or
Yeah.
crispy or...
until it's brown.
Chubo! Yung pinuluto natin! Baka masunog na yun!
Kaya nagugutom na ako. After 20 minutes of waiting, the fried chicken is now ready to serve. This is so delicious.
Mukha mo si Paluma, nung tayo ay bata pa.
Hoy! Ay, may bat ng bigat!
Jack ni Junior Tanaba.
And I'm Joshua Harris Asuncion.
Today we're going to introduce our cooking. It's a Ilocano dish called manok na niluto sa luya. And this is a regional cuisine. So you're not familiar with it. So we're going to introduce the mise en place. We have garlic, onions,
Tomatoes.
ginger, and chicken. Let's proceed with the kitchen.
Tutuin tayo, Ajay. Nanisip tayo at tatay.
We're going to cook our mise en place, which is onions, garlic, and ginger. We're gonna wait it until it's golden brown. Cut muna. We're gonna stir fry the chicken.
About tayo stir fry the chicken.
We're gonna stir fry the chicken.
Gabi tayo, Gidalong.
Sabi sa'yo sinadong, we're gonna put water.
Yeah. Asig! Now, ikabi sa'yo, Jessie, luwag, itilasa.
You're gonna put salt, so there's gonna be flavor and flavor.
So, luwag, madinga magpukaw, lasa na.
We're gonna close the lid so that the flavor will be intact. Finish product kayo. Na yung bag na bigas, nga rabi
Thank you.
Chuck ni Jun Artanaba,
Asuncion Joshua Jerez.
and we are proud to be the tribe.
Atras kasi ubod na sarap ng cooking na sinabog. Cooking ng inabog.
Good evening, I'm Anthony Lorenzo Arbola.
And I, John Erwin Toribio.
And we're going to cook chicken adobo.
Yes. First, ano gawin natin?
First, we're going to saute the onions and garlic. Then,
First, the
cooking oil.
Yes, here. Sige, lagyan mo. Lagyan mo, pre. Lagyan mo niyan.
But there is no
We're going to
fire.
put some oil.
Oh, there's no fire! Fire the hose!
That's the...
Oh, pre, pag ano, papunta dun.
Yes, yeah, okay. Sige lang.
Medyo...
Let's put some cooking oil. Yes, gulo-gulo. Is this enough? That's enough. Okay.
Pre! No! RM, pre.
I know.
RM, pre. Patay mo.
I'm Anthony Lorenzo Arbola.
And I'm John Erwin Toribio.
We're going to cook chicken adobo. What are we going to do first?
Yes. The oil, pre. Put it here. Put it here.
Going to put some oil.
Oh. Yes, like that.
Then, what's next? We're going to saute the onions and garlic.
Sige, pre. Sige mo na.
Pre.
Ang dami chicken, pre.
Sige, pre.
Lalagyan na ba?
Hindi pa.
Wala. Chicken muna.
Chicken muna.
Okay. Gamitin mo itong.
Where's the tongue?
Diyan lang.
There is no tongue. Use your hand.
No tongue here.
Sige, use your hand. Sige.
Wait. I'll first wash my hands. It's a good hygiene practice. Now we're going to put the chicken. It's the chicken.
We will wait for 15 minutes.
Now we're going to put 1 glass of water. 1 glass of water. After that, we will put the soy sauce. Soy sauce.
Sige. Lagay mo na, break.
We'll add the soy sauce.
Hindi na to yung chicken.
Vinegar. And wait for 10 minutes. Yan. Wow! Vinegar!
Naghahatid na ng labing ang mga kakaway ng ating kagabagaligatas. Lahat sila'y nagsisilaman pagsapit ang